Welcome to this tutorial on comparison operators in NumPy. In this video, you'll learn how to use 6 essential comparison operators with NumPy arrays: equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These operators allow you to compare array elements efficiently and create boolean masks for data filtering and analysis. NumPy supports 6 comparison operators that work element-wise on arrays. The double equal sign checks if elements are equal to a value. The exclamation mark followed by an equal sign checks if elements are not equal. The less than symbol compares if elements are smaller than a value. The greater than symbol checks if elements are larger. Less than or equal combines equality with the less than check. And greater than or equal combines equality with the greater than check. Each operator returns a boolean array showing true or false for every element. Comparison operators in NumPy work element-wise, meaning they compare each element individually. When you compare an array with a scalar value, NumPy applies the comparison to every element. For example, if you have an array containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you check which elements are greater than 3, NumPy returns a boolean array. The first 3 elements return false because they're not greater than 3, while the last 2 elements return true because 4 and 5 are indeed greater than 3. The equal to operator, written as 2 equal signs, checks if array elements match a specific value. When you have an array with values 10, 20, 30, 20, and 40, and you compare it with 20, NumPy examines each element. The result is a boolean array where only the positions containing 20 show true, while all other positions show false. This is particularly useful for finding exact matches in your data or filtering arrays based on specific values. The not equal to operator uses an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. It identifies elements that don't match a given value. Consider an array with 5, 10, 15, 10, and 25. When you check which elements are not equal to 10, the result shows true for 5, 15, and 25, but false for the 2 positions containing 10. This operator is helpful when you want to exclude specific values or find all elements different from a target value. The less than and greater than operators compare magnitude. With an array containing 3, 7, 2, 9, and 5, you can check which elements are less than 5. Elements 3 and 2 return true, while the others return false. When checking which elements are greater than 5, only 7 and 9 return true. These operators are essential for range-based filtering, such as finding values below a threshold or above a certain limit in your dataset. The less than or equal and greater than or equal operators include equality in their comparisons. With an array of 4, 6, 8, 6, and 10, checking less than or equal to 6 returns true for 4 and both 6s, but false for 8 and 10. The greater than or equal to 6 comparison returns false only for 4, and true for all other values since they're either equal to or greater than 6. These operators are perfect when you need inclusive range checks. You can also compare 2 arrays element by element. NumPy matches corresponding positions and evaluates each pair. If you have one array with 1, 5, 3, and 8, and another with 2, 5, 1, and 9, a less than comparison checks each position independently. The first position compares 1 with 2, returning true. The second position compares 5 with 5, returning false. The third position compares 3 with 1, returning false. And the fourth position compares 8 with 9, returning true. This element-wise comparison is powerful for analyzing relationships between 2 datasets.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.